Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you some of my Hello Kitty iPhone cases from this year. So I have this one video to cute. Hi! And this is so cute and awesome because this is and I love this one. I really love it. So that's my this is my first one. So just show you. Dun, dun. This one's my favorite too. It's an Ivan 3G. Say hello Kitty. And it is a jelly cake. Oops, sorry. Jelly cake. Okay. So that is my second one. Okay. I'm gonna show you this one. I'm gonna open it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this one. This is cute one, and this my favorite. This my really favorite. And I love that one. So it's Hello Kitty in a ribbon. This is Hello Kitty. So cute and so chunky. And my mother bought this one. So cute one. Okay. Hope this video and short. So that's all my iPhone cases from this year. And yeah, so, so please subscribe and then subscribe. Thank you. Bye.